Welcome once again to my channel, and this time we have the problem over here. We have to evaluate the integral. So the integral of x squared plus 7x then divided by x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1 then x minus 4 dx. So we have to find the integral. Now before we find this integral, we must first pass through a partial fraction process, because if you look at the denominator over there, it has a partial fraction, and therefore so what we'll do is that we'll write the integral in the form of a partial fraction decomposition for the integrand. So this is what we are going to do. So this is what we have. So we have the whole of this x plus 7x. So we are writing it in the form of partial fraction. We'll solve for these values. After that, then we can solve for our integral, because solving for the integral straightforward is complicated to solve such integral. So we pass through a partial fraction step. So we have s minus 2, s minus 1, then s minus 4. So in the form of partial fraction, we have a divided by x plus 2, then b divided by x minus 1, then c divided by x minus 4. So this is what we have. Now from here, we're going to find the LCM of these, then simplify that. So we have x squared plus 7x be equal to, now just doing the simplification, we have s plus 2, s minus 2, s minus 4 being the LCM. So this goes into all of that. We have this and that. So a multiplies x minus 1 and also x minus 4. Then b here also multiplies this and that, which is s plus 2 and x minus 4. Then c here multiplies this and that, so s plus 2 and also s minus 1. So we have this. So let's then divided by x plus 2 here, s minus 1, then x minus 4 there. All right, so this is what we have. Now we only, since the denominators are the same, we'll consider the numerator. Then we'll find the value of a, b and c. After we find the values of a, b and c, we'll put it back into the equation over here. Then after that, we integrate both sides, then find the integral. So that's what we are going to do. Now we have the numerator s squared plus 7s being equal to a, s minus 1 here, s minus 4, then plus b being s plus 2, x minus 4, then c here being s plus 2, then x minus 1. All right, so we are going to eliminate some of the variables. Now in order for us to find the value of a, we realize that we have common integrand over here. We have s plus 2 and s plus 2 in both c and b. So in order to get rid of b and c, we have to consider s equal to negative 2. So if s equal to negative 2, we realize that b goes away, c also goes away, because if this is negative 2, it becomes 0, 0 multiplies and everything is 0. So we are left with this and also that of a. So we have negative 2 squared plus 7 multiplied by that, then we have a, and we have negative 2 minus 1, then x minus 4. So we have 4 here, we have 14 here, then we have this to be negative 3, then negative 2 here, so we have negative 6 here. So negative 10 equal to, now 3 multiplied by 6 is just negative positive 18. So 18a, we divide both sides by 18 here, we divide here by 18. Yeah, so we have this cancel that, 5 goes here, 2 goes here, 5, 2 goes here, 9, and we have no, there's no negative here, so we have a equal to negative 5 over 9. So that is the value of a. Now let's find for the rest of the values. Now you realize that also if I want to find the value of b, to find the value of b, we have common ones here, x minus 1 then x minus 1. So if x is positive 1, a goes away, c goes away, then it's left with b. So we consider that one too. So if x is equal to 1, then we are having, so putting it from here, we have 1 squared plus 7 1 here equal to, so it's left with only b. So we have 1 plus 2 here, then also 1 minus 4 here. So we have 1 plus 7 equal to b 3 here, then we have negative 3, which is just 8 equal to 3 multiplies 3 is negative 9b. We divide both sides by that, then we have b equal to 8 over negative 8 over 9. So that's what we have for b. Now also to find the value of c, to find c, we have common x minus 4 and x minus 4. So if x is positive 4, so let's do that. So if x is 4, then we have 4 squared plus 7 multiplied by 4 being equal to c. Then we have x plus 2, then 4 minus 1, so it's just 4 here. So we have 16 28 equal to, we have 6 here, then 3 here. Now 16 plus 28 is just 44 being equal to, we have 6 3 18 c. So we have that, this goes there, then so we have the value 2 goes here, 2 goes here, 22, and therefore c is equal to 22 over 9. So therefore we have a being equal to, so we had a value of a as, so the value of a as negative 5 over 9, the value of b as, we have b as negative 8 over 9, and also c as 22 over 9. So with these values, we are going to insert the values into this general equation over here. So we have x squared plus 7x then divided by x minus x plus 2. We have x minus 1, x minus 4 here being equal to, we have a plus 2, then we have b x minus 1, then we have c x minus 4. So we have x squared plus 7x being divided by x plus 2, x minus 1, and x minus 4 here. Now a is just negative 5 over 9, then divided by x plus 2, right? Then b is just negative 9 over 9, negative 8 over 9, then divided by x minus 1. Then c is just 22 over 9 being divided by x minus 4. So this is what we have. Now in the next section, what we'll do is that we integrate. So we integrate now. So let's integrate now. So we have the integral of the whole of this, s plus 2, x minus 1, then x minus 4 dx, right, being equal to the integral of negative 5 over 9, then x plus 2, then we have negative 8 over 9, then x minus 1, then plus 22 over 9, and we have x minus 4. So from here, now we have so integrating this, we have 5 over 9 out, then we can have the integral of 1 over x plus 2, you see, dx, then we can have, so all of this dx, we can have 8 over 9, then integral of 1 over x minus 1 dx here, then plus 22 over 9 here, integral of 1 over x minus 4 dx. So at the end of it all, we have negative 5 over 9, then the ln of x plus 2, then negative 8 over 9, then the ln of x minus 1, then 22 over 9 here, then the ln of x minus 4. Yep. Then plus c. So we have plus c. So therefore we can conclude that the whole integral is therefore equal to negative 5 over 9. Let me write it well. Then x plus 2 minus 8 over 9. Then the ln of s minus 1. Then plus 22 over 9. The ln of s minus 4. And plus c as our final answer. So thank you very much for joining me in this section. I hope this video will help you a lot, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell for more videos like this. So I'll see you in the next section.